episode to Vlogmas. Are you ready for the videos? 25 days of Christmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please and thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another food review. So, I've been seeing these around every single year, and they tend to come out every year. Oh gosh, it feels so good. Hold up, excuse me guys. Oh yes, come through with the good itch. Oh, that feels good. Sorry you guys, but when your hair itch. But anyway guys, I've been seeing these come around every year, and they only come around every year around Christmas time. So I've been hearing the hype about it, like, oh my god, they're so good, you gotta try them. So unfortunately I got them, but let's get us a thumbnail. Yep, that'll do. So these are the white fudge covered Oreos, limited edition. Y'all can't really see it, but limited edition. So we're going to try these. I see these every year. Some of my friends on Facebook, they post like, oh my god, these are so good. The family loves them. And I really want to see what the hype is all about with these. Here's the packaging. It's cute. You get 12 cookies, and it says, can't say challenge. Okay, so we're going to see what the hype is really about with these cookies, because your girl be seeing them and just be like, So, oh guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot. Don't forget to tell y'all so many times. 3 times I've been doing these videos. You would think your girl knew by now, but after a while you forget, because it's like, you forget. But anyways, let's see. Oh, they smell good though. I ain't gonna lie, they smell good. Smells so good. You know, I gotta share with my supporters and family, so y'all can have the first one. Look at this, nicely coated chocolate, white chocolate. But you can still see the Oreo sign in the back. But yeah, look at this. Y'all can have the first bite. There you go. Oh my god, it's still raining and snowing outside. Oh wow. It smells good. Let's try. This white chocolate tastes good with this. Okay. Now I see why the hype is real with these. And everybody be talking about, oh my god. Like, everybody be hyping these up. I can see why. But they hyped it up a little bit too much. But this is like a sugar coma. You got white chocolate. And then you already got original cookie. Like, come on now. Too much Sugarland. Too much in Sugarland. But thank God only come around for Christmas. Because to eat it on a regular, you're looking at liquid diabetes here. I mean, it's definitely worth it. Christmas time cookie. It's not an everyday cookie. But it's good. It's good. But it also ain't worth no $5 for 12 cookies. You might as well get a whole pack, family pack from Walmart. Dip them in some chocolate yourself at home. And save some money. But thumbs up in my book. Okay, guys. That was good. Like I said, it's not something you eat on a constant, everyday basis, but it's definitely a good Christmas cookie. So, guys, we're just going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a big thumbs down. The choice is yours. Comment down below if y'all would like to see more food reviews like this. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. That way you be notified when I post. Because I see you watching. I know you want to enjoy the family. So, come on, enjoy the family. I don't bite. And until next time, we out of here. Peace.